What is going on, everybody? Captain Namco here, and as promised, double twister versus Brunswick bowling pin. The Brunswick pin I have chosen today is the Brunswick Score King, and we're going to do twister versus Brunswick Score King. And we're going to start off with the twister pin I got from Vandalia Bowl first, then we're going to do this one and then the Brunswick. That don't sound bad at all. So it's kind of wore out, but you know. Don't sound bad at all. And then you can kind of rotate it. Looks mad. Next, twister pin number 2. This is the one I got from a friend of mine out of the Bowling Pin Collector Group, Mango Fox, here on YouTube. But here we go. Mr. Twister. And up next, the Brunswick Score King. This pin here is not very common here in the Midwest. You typically see them in bowling alleys in other states, but you don't see them here in Illinois. So the only ones you only see here are Brunswick Max and AMF pins, lens, and twisters. So here we go. That thing's got some nice sound to him. For being a Brunswick Score King, God love them. But I like twisters. Alright, leave a like and a comment down below. We'll see you next time. And as always, before I go, I always want to remind you that Jesus loves you and we are out of here. Merry Christmas, everybody, and stay safe.